Just imagine yourself, your family, along with generations to come, enjoying a luxurious vacation at a breathtaking resort, created in an atmosphere of care and special attention to each guest. Stick with me, and I'll tell you how to make it your reality. I'm Christina, and today we're taking you straight to Ubud, Bali's beating heart. For the last few months, our team has been crafting a space designed to truly understand and cater to the modern traveling family. We're thrilled to finally share our newest project, Sunny Family Ubud. This is not just another hotel. It's a massive opportunity because it targets a huge underserved niche. The resort fills a crucial gap in the mid-upscale family market, and the investment potential is impressive. First, let's talk numbers. The official statistics show that in 2024, Bali received 6.3 million foreign tourists, and up to 30% of them were families with children. Moreover, more than 10 million domestic trips were made the same year, and a significant portion of them is accounted for by family travel. But what has Ubud to offer them? Let's take a look at the already existing resorts. There are luxurious 5-star hotels with prices ranging from $600 to $1,000 and more per night that pose themselves as family-friendly but have no systematic kids programs. There are also 3 to 4-star villas and mini hotels where prices may be more affordable, but once again, they have no programs or services to accommodate families with children. Of course, some hotels centered around kids exist in Bali, but they are in the southern part of the island, far from cultural sites, and don't have modern infrastructure surrounding them. Fewer than 5 properties in Ubud are truly family-friendly, and none are fully dedicated kids-first resorts. What we have managed to create is the first 4-star kids-first family resort in the heart of the island, Ubud, focusing on making family trips to Bali a truly unforgettable experience. Unlike any other hotel in the area, this resort is specifically designed to integrate into a market with high but unmet demand for family-centric stays. The kids-first approach means the facilities, services, and the atmosphere prioritize the experience of children while meeting the needs of parents, making it an attractive choice for family travelers. Ubud is the heart of the island, and our project is going to be right in the center of Ubud. That means walking distance, just about 10 minutes on foot, to the most iconic destinations in Ubud. This includes the famous Sacred Monkey Forest, the historic Ubud Palace, and the vibrant Ubud Art Market. The convenience extends well beyond that. The region is full of world-class family attractions, most of which are just a short drive away. You can explore the Tegalalang rice terraces or enjoy an easy trek along the Champuhan Ridge Walk. For culture, the historical side of Goa Gajah has accessible infrastructure. Bali Zoo and Bali Bird Park are also nearby. Even natural sites like the Tegenungan and Tibumana waterfalls are safe and accessible for family visits. Last, but definitely not least, Ubud has developed infrastructure with shops, restaurants, museums, and hospitals, meeting the needs and interests of even the most demanding guests. Also, just 5 minutes on foot from the resort, there is the morning market where you might find fresh fruits, flowers, and local treats. This central spot is all about convenience. It ensures your family can easily access all the culture and nature Ubud offers without any of the usual stress from transfers or traffic. Our slogan is "A gentle place to grow together." What we have designed is a place for creating truly special memories, where every detail was thoughtfully designed for the comfort of our guests. So now, let's take a closer look at how we imagine a family-oriented resort. We've all been on those trips where the kids are bored or you're craving an adult moment. The real key to creating a truly great family resort is to meet everyone's desires and needs. We believe a family resort should be built for co-play. That means every corner is designed for parents and children to genuinely enjoy time together. There is a swimming pool, which features a large, dedicated, and safe children's area, a peaceful yoga lawn surrounded by nature, a cozy open-air cinema for a family movie night, and a fire pit area for the whole family to gather and spend evenings together. Now, let's talk about the true differentiating factor, our service matrix. We've thought about every age group to make the vacation effortless for parents. For our youngest guests, the babies, ages 0 to 3, we make sure all the essentials are easy to access. That means cribs, high chairs, and bottle warmers are readily available. Plus, we offer a dedicated quiet room for those necessary naps or feedings. For children ages 4 to 12, it's all about fun and authentic cultural activities. They can get creative in our maker studio with classes in pottery and batik, and they love the organized movie nights. They can also explore the great outdoors right on property with our fun eco trail or have fun at the playground. For teenagers ages 13 to 17, we offer engaging activities like cooking and art classes and projects centered on nature. They also have the opportunity to take part in local adventures like the Champuhan Ridge Track or use our photo studio, where they can create short films and take master classes in photography and drone filming. As for the parents, we know you need a break too, so we've included crucial amenities like co-play co-work spaces, so you can check a few emails if you need to, and of course, a dedicated family spa sessions for much needed relaxation. Finally, connecting all these elements is our commitment to culture. We have an on-site unique interactive mini museum of Balinese culture. It's the perfect place to start a fun family discussion about the island before diving into one of our workshops. Everything here ensures learning and exploration are fun for the whole family. All right, before diving even deeper into the design details we created in Sunny Family Ubud, I'd like to tell you how you can make it happen. If you've ever considered real estate investing, let me assure you, your investment process with Sunny Holding will be as smooth and easy as enjoying a vacation at one of our resorts, which, by the way, you can check out by clicking on the link in the description. We design stability by identifying market gaps, and the market is screaming for a family-oriented resort. Average Ubud hotels run at a RevPAR of $115 to $120 US. Our specialized family format generates 10 to 15% higher RevPAR because we feel a critical supply shortage due to unmet demand. You're investing in a future-proof sector. Family tourism is projected to expand 4 to 5% faster than the general market until 2030. Also, family trips are less sensitive to economic downturns because they are planned in advance with a focus on value for the children. Our investment model is secure. By targeting the mid-upscale segment, we attract both foreign and domestic high-value guests, which immediately decreases your risk. This strategic positioning drives a powerful projected annual ROI of 12.6 to 13%. This is your chance. Click the link in the description right now, leave your name and phone number, and a dedicated investment expert from Sunny Holding will contact you personally for a one-on-one consultation. Right now, we actually have an exclusive pre-sale underway, which gives you the most competitive price and a flexible installment plan running all the way until April 2027. So if you're still hesitating, the moment is now. You can secure your future in Bali today. We knew that for this concept to work, the design had to be completely different from anything other hotels have to offer, and we're happy to present what we came up with. First, the setting. 60% of the entire property is a stunning landscaped nature park. This is not just a garden, it's a true retreat. Second, the scale. We chose an exclusive boutique size with only 30 rooms in total. This guarantees an intimate, not overcrowded experience for all guests. And we offer 3 core room types: the family studio, the spacious 1-bedroom suite, and the multi-room 2-bedroom suite. Every room is purpose-built for family life. For design, we focused on making life easy for parents. All our furniture has safe, curved edges to protect little ones, and every unit has ample space for setting up a baby cot. Crucially, every single unit includes a mini kitchenette, a non-negotiable for families traveling with young children. And here's a smart detail. Our 1-bedroom suite features a living room transformer. This means that the living area can instantly be converted into a second private bedroom, providing flexibility and privacy for growing families. It's this level of detail and genuine care that meets the incredible demand traveling families have. And when you're talking investment, incredible demand translates to one thing: higher profitability. Okay, it's time to talk about the hard numbers and the investment plans. So we have 3 distinct unit types, each offering competitive returns based on our unique business model. However, please do consider that the prices I will be talking about are valid only for the first 5 units sold. As I have already mentioned, there are 3 types of rooms at Sunny Family Ubud. So let's take a closer look at what the investment plans looks like for each one of them. The first one is the family studio. This is our most compact unit at 44 square meters. It serves as the most efficient investment model, projected to yield the highest annual return at 13% ROI on a price of approximately $190,000. Next, we have the 1-bedroom suite. This is our entry point for a separate room suite measuring 61 square meters. It's currently priced around $155,000 and is projected to yield 12.6% ROI. And next we have the 1-bedroom suite superior type. This offers the largest overall capacity, ranging from 66 to 76 square meters. The rental value of it is also the biggest, between $235,000 and $245,000, and it is projected to yield 12.7% ROI. This unit includes premium features like the living room transformer. And most importantly, your investment is flexible. We're not asking for a lump sum today. We offer an extended installment plan that runs all the way to April 2027. This plan is structured across 7 total payments, and this makes it a financially manageable roadmap for acquiring a high-performance asset in Bali. So hopefully you've just seen how unique Sunny Family Ubud is, a highly specialized product built to dominate its niche. This isn't just a beautiful place. I mean, of course, it is insanely beautiful and creative, but most importantly, it's a high-performance financial asset. And just like a stay at our resorts, the investment process with Sunny Holding is designed to be completely stress-free for you. Our team will handle all the documents, at the same time making the process clear, secure, and rewarding for you. We have officially launched an exclusive pre-sale for Sunny Family Ubud. Why does this matter? Because the very first 5 units sold come with the most favorable pricing and best terms available. If you wait, you will miss out on this initial advantage. This is a chance to buy into a specialized asset at its absolute best entry price. If you're ready to learn more, use the link in the description and drop your contact information. A member of our team will contact you directly to provide a personalized consultation and answer all of your questions. So that brings us to the end of our exclusive deep dive. We've shown you a kids-first 4-star concept that is totally unique to Central Ubud, a powerful 12.6 to 13% ROI potential backed by a clear market gap, and a flexible installment plan running to April 2027. This is your chance to own a piece of the most resilient and fast-growing segment of the Bali tourism market. If you have any questions, our team is standing by to help you secure your unit. All detailed unit plans, the payment schedule, and contact information can be found below.